In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, automated flow that takes activity from HubSpot and creates or updates items in Monday.com using Zapier. First, head to Zapier.com and sign into your account. From your dashboard, create a new Zap. In the trigger section, you'll choose what starts the automation. In the app search, type HubSpot, then click HubSpot to select it. Next, pick a trigger event that matches your goal. Common options include new contact, new company, or a new deal stage. Choose the one that best reflects the moment you want work to move into Monday.com. Zapier will now prompt you to connect the trigger account. If your workflow originates from a different source you use alongside HubSpot, such as a form tool, you may see that listed here. Simply connect the correct source account for your trigger. Follow the prompts to authenticate securely, then continue. Click Test Trigger to pull in a recent sample. Having at least one recent example record in HubSpot helps Zapier find data to map later. With your trigger working, move on to the action. In the Action app search, type Monday.com and click it. Choose the action event you want. Creating an item is typical if you're sending new work to a specific board, but you can select the option that fits your process. Connect your Monday.com account, approve access to the correct workspace, and click Continue. Now configure the action details, select the board and group where new items should land. Then map fields from your trigger data to the Monday.com columns. For example, map a HubSpot contact name to an item name column, email to an email column, and notes to a long text column. Match data types carefully, dates to date columns, people to people columns, and status values to a matching status column. If a field is optional, leave it blank rather than forcing an incorrect value. Clear naming on your Monday.com columns will make mapping faster and prevent errors. When your mappings look good, run the test. Zapier will send the sample to Monday.com so you can confirm an item appears on the chosen board with the right values. If something is off, return to the configuration and adjust the field mappings or board selection, then test again until it's accurate. That's it. You've connected HubSpot to Monday.com through Zapier, set a trigger, chosen an action, authenticated both accounts, configured your fields, and tested the flow to make sure it works. Follow this same pattern for additional boards or different HubSpot events to scale your automation.